Greetings from Östnora, Havsbad in Haninge. It is early in the morning. Well, for some people early, I would guess that because it's summer. It's 10 a.m. exactly. And I should have gotten up already at 7. Started off my journey at 8:20 actually. And after the 2 buses and a commuter train and a short walk, I am in one of the probably the best beaches, I would say top 10 public beaches in Stockholm region on the Baltic Sea. This is in Haninge, and I'm coming here now every year, once a year, and today is the day for 2025 on this beach number 68. We have some sun, but some clouds are appearing from the sky. Here we have a nice and soft sandy beach, huge green area, and even a camping that's called also Östnora. And there are 2 separate jetties on both sides of the beach, and there is even some rocky type of beach. I remember when I was here last year or the year before, it was fully packed. Not sure why now it is so empty. Maybe people will come later today. But I'm going to take a swim from the jetty, as here the water is very shallow, and I need to walk all the way to the jetty. So let me go around and show you the jetty. I'm gonna get my backpack because I'm thinking of staying on the jetty because it's a bit easier to swim more times later. But right now the sandy beach is also almost empty, so I may come here to make some videos later, dance videos as such. So let me take you on the walk from the beach to the better jetty, because there is one jetty that's closer to the camping, but I saw some people over there, so I'm heading to this jetty where I'm usually swimming from, and that it's also deeper as well. So to get here, you need to, by public transport, you need to take the commuter train to Haninge. There are departures every 15 minutes from central Stockholm, and from Haninge take the bus towards Osmö, 847 I think, and the journey from Haninge it's 15 minutes approximately. So yeah, here we are, ready to take a swim. I remember this jetty very good. Haninge Commune, municipality. And here we have better view of the beach that is. So the beach name is called Östnora, which means east north, and I'm also curious what is the temperature of the water as such. Probably above 20 degrees it must be, and we're gonna find out soon. And here we have 2.1 meters of depth, so let's check out the temperature. I can't believe I'm out again very early for a beach adventure and measuring the sea already at this early in the morning. But the water feels quite warm actually, not gonna lie. And I almost fell into the water while taking temperature. I think I'm gonna also jump, even though it's 2 meters. It's gonna be nice to make some. Okay, 23 degrees Celsius in the air, in the sea, that is. So it's then time to jump into the sea. So, ready, set, and go! Woohoo! Amazing. It's only 2.1 meters depth here, so I touch the ground, but obviously the water holds you down a bit, so it's perfect. Beautiful day on the sea here at Östnora. There is even a port on that side, and if you come this early you will get definitely a great spot on the beach and even on the jetty. Located in Haninge, as I mentioned, and I'm gonna be chilling here only half day today, as I have some plans later today in the city, coming closer to the city. So what else? Yeah, let's dive in again. I was expecting to get some algae over here right now, but to my surprise there is none, which is great. I can swim gracefully indeed. So that is a wrap from Östnora Havsbad. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris. And also I realized that over here at the very end of the jetty it's actually 4 meters. So let's jump also here, because here it looks even more spectacular to jump here at Östnora. So ready, set, and go! Woo! Oh my god, the water is amazing. 23 degrees and beautiful sunshine so far. So yeah, that's amazing. Perfect for a day out on the sea. I just love it. And I'm gonna be jumping like this for a few hours at least. So yeah. Woohoo. So greetings from Östnora Havsbad.